I've got you under my skin. I tried so not to give in. I said to myself, this affair never will go so well. Why should I try to resist when, darling, I know so well I've got you.
Dippity-doo.
For setting your hair.
President Kennedy has been assassinated. It's official now. The president is dead.
I know you.
Despite all the fuss and faces she made, danger and hopelessness.
I'm going to sleep now.
I've got you under my skin.
I think I saw the photo where it was,
Frenemies
like,
forever.
obviously fake.
And what do you think about that? I'll just tuck that away over there. Do you think if I call this video Makeup to Kill Boys and I'll get demonetized? I'm not even joking. I think the killer was outside my window last night.
I hear if the killer is coming.
Because deadass, why did I hear somebody walking around and like trying to break in? And then my glass came loose in the frame. And it was shaking, and I was shaking too. Okay, I was gonna change my shirt because I was like, this is not Megan Fox, Jennifer's Body, but actually, if you think about it, it is. All stressed out and know what to joke. Did you pray today? Did you pray today? Me ripping the skin off my mouth like a crackhead is so Jennifer's Body. So last night, I ain't gonna lie, I did prepare for this video. I put on these 3 lip products and went to bed. My nails came off, so. But again, I'm supposed to look like a murdered girl, so. Hey, if you want to insult murdered people, that's on you. A kingdom for a kiss upon the shoulder. My whole neighborhood. So, okay, I did put on this CoverGirl Outlast lip stain. There might be blood underneath my nails. Hold on. My brother's watching Joe Bart in the living room. I did put on this CoverGirl lip stain for the 3rd time. I put on the CoverGirl lip stain. It was the lightest shade they had there, so I got it. And I think I fucked it up like when you like mess up a marker and you like lay it like right side up and all the stuff comes down and it doesn't work anymore. But for the most part, some stuff, ever since I got it, I was like, there's not a lot of product in this, but it does smell and feel like a felt marker. So if you did enjoy huffing Sharpies in middle school, this is for you. Next, I put on, after putting on about 55 layers of this, I put on this e.l.f. Lip tint. My friend Julissa bought it for me. In the shade Pinkies Up, I wear the most neutral and lightest of lipsticks, lip stains, anything. On the outer edges of my mouth, I put on this Rimmel London lip. I thought it was gonna be a lip stain. I'm gonna be really honest. Well, now I was trying to say it's just lip color, but bitch, it's liquid lipstick. 220 in the shade Lazy Days. When it peeled off, it kind of made it look like I had those little like marks from like lip plumpers. So if you want that like Aisha Nicole Smith plastic surgery look, this is for you. My hair's chopped like a chopped coat. I want to invest in a moisturizer, but not like a brand new like hip with the times moisturizer. I want to get like Pond's. I want to get like your mother's moisturizer because I feel like that's what really works. You understand? I almost did concealer before eyebrows. Oh, cute. My hair's chopped like a chopped the coke. Is my eyebrow brush? Where is my eyebrow brush? Where is my eyebrow brush? Okay, this is gonna take me like 20 minutes alone. Oh, there it is. It's under all this shit. So when I do Megan Fox brows, okay, I'm gonna look at the gray hair. It's what happens when you turn 17. So I am going to elongate. I mean, they're already really thin and like high up, so I don't have to really do anything with that, but I am gonna try and make them look longer. I did get a comment that said my eyebrows are too long. Thank you. I thought they were too short. My hair's... You guys distract me when I do this and it messes me up really bad. Shh. Shh. The teacher is gonna hear us. My hair's chopped like I chopped the coat. This is gonna be the least I ever look like Megan Fox in my life. It's broken. It's like spinning. You can tell it's gonna be like a bad video if it takes me 10 minutes to do the brows. Like, I'm already out of it. I'm already like in another place spiritually. My hair's chopped like I chopped the coke. I lost my brush again. Oh, let me just move my little wooden box. My hair's chopped like I chopped the coke. I'm also looking to invest in a matte foundation. Just cover up all those bullet wounds. Coke, coke, cocaine superstars. Did I? I said a diva is the female version of a hustler. Of a hustler. Of a hustler. I feel like the key to this makeup is to just be really confident with it. But it's hard to be confident when you look like this. You can see my ghetto Shein curtain. You're not Jennifer Jack. You're Bryce Tank Thrust. Coke, coke, cocaine superstar. Coke. I'm gonna be backlit, but it's okay. Because nobody really cares. My hair's chopped like I chopped the coke. I can't sing the rest of the lyrics. My mom will get mad at me. My hair's chopped like I chopped the coke. But we're gonna use some of this gray contouring because I truthfully do believe Megan Fox was getting that gray contour. She does have a nose job, so we're gonna try and give ourselves a nose job. There's been a ghost. There's been a ghost in my house. I'll hear knocking on the door and nobody's there. Like actual tapping and knocking. And I was like, what? What do you want? There was nobody there. I was literally in my tiny little white towel. I just got out of the shower and I was sitting on the floor scrolling Pinterest. And there's a couple knocks at the door and I'm like,
who the fuck dare to call me when I'm so busy?
My nose always gets fucked up when we do this, I swear to God. Oh! I need to stop. Like, I need to stop. Invest in a cream contour, I think. Or maybe it's because I'm applying it in the dark. We'll never know. This is giving me anxiety. No. No. You know we always pull it together. You know we always get through this. Aside from the Buffalo 66 makeup, I'm gonna use this little elf thing. I don't know where or what this is from. No. No. No, you know what? Like I don't give a fuck. Like, well, I look suspicious. I was really excited to do this makeup and I really wanted it to look good, so we have to lock in. For a kiss upon the shoulder. Elongated instead of like big. All my riches. Okay, right now I look like the Undertaker, but it kind of makes me look like an animatronic. Bath and Body Works is coming out with Bath and Body Works is coming out with a whole new line of 7 different, what are they called? The luxury fragrances? Yeah, and they're doing body creams. They're doing a body cream in Viva Vanilla, which was my favorite, obviously. I'm actually known, like, by girls to wear my hair on the side, and that is because of Megan Fox and Jennifer Check. Actually, Megan Fox was my inspiration to become a girl, because before I had short hair and I didn't wear makeup, and then I watched Jennifer's Body in 7th grade and I had it in my head that I wanted to become Jennifer Check. I just try and make my eyes look more thin. I don't know. I have to straighten my hair because it looks rich. And it's never over. Okay, so for my lip, I'm just basically gonna go in with the same thing I did last night. Tastes like there's alcohol in it. And I mean like, it tastes like alcohol. I mean like, actually it tastes like a fucking Sharpie. Now that stain does not stay on very long. I feel like I could absolutely wipe it off. Now, I believe Jennifer maybe depending on the scene, doesn't wear much of a lip product, or she wears a hot pink or light pink lip product. Very sheer, very, you know, minimal. Again, her whole makeup look, it's the 2000s and it's the 90s, so their makeup looks like skin and they look beautiful. While you can see every crevice in mine. Oh, that's great. That's great. YSL, you count your days. I swear to God. I used YSL Lash Clash, put on LA Colors mascara, and then I put on the YSL Lash Clash. And I know, white trash meets high class. Like a Dungeon Dragon. Top 10 things to do in front of your crush. Rah, rah, like a Dungeon Dragon. I forgot the powder was on my face, bro. A kingdom for a kiss upon the shoulder. Okay, thunderstorm ASMR because it is actually raining now and my windows are still open. Yeah, anyway, this was the finished look. I was kind of not lit with it. I look like if SNL tried to do an impression of Megan Fox, you know what I mean? As you can tell by that statement there, I was not happy, but it does kind of look good. It kind of looks good. Yeah. I was, you know, being kind of ghetto in my window. I'm gonna add some of this. It's kind of cute. Like, look at that. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Now I understand why Matt Pat recorded in his closet for like 10 years, but I'm practicing my lines here because at heart I am a theater kid just like Matt Pat. For the first time ever, my dad starts to water the garden for some reason. There's me staring at him again because literally, what are you doing? Cover girl! Put the bass in your walk! Here's me trying to act cold and scared like I'm in Until Dawn. I am God. What's wrong with you? There's something. Feel my heart, Jonas. I think it's broken. Are you guys like rapists or something? Remember when we used to play boyfriend girlfriend? I, the lead singer, is extra salty. I'm sure there'll be some saltinesses there for you too. I am going to eat your soul and shit it out. God, Needy, enough with the screaming. This is so Nicholas Chavez audition tape. Y'all, if they make a reboot, we riot. I might not have the body of Megan Fox. I might not have the face of Megan Fox. I might not have the attitude of Megan Fox. I might not have the kind-heartedness of Megan Fox. But listen. Okay. Next, Nicholas Alexander Chavez right here. Right here. Right here. You could call me an actress. It's me, Bianca Nicole Smith, your favorite child star. Make sure to watch it. And how do you feel about this? Now, why would you say that? Well, that's been this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked the makeup. I hope you found it entertaining. I really wanted to do this video, so I'm really glad I got to do it, and I'm not angry with the results. Like, oh my god, I hate that Buffalo 66 video. Like, every video I do, I'm just like, private it in a month. Just private it in a month. Shopping haul coming soon, probably tomorrow. I'm really excited for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Of course I don't look like Megan Fox. Of course I am not Megan Fox. If I look like Megan Fox, girl, I wouldn't be here. But yeah. Make sure to follow my MySpace and like the video, but I wouldn't. Dislike the video. Wait. Subscribe, but I wouldn't. Like this video, but I wouldn't. And dislike this video because I know I sure did. And make sure to follow me on my MySpace.